Today, I'm going to show you a cozy and affordable villa in Hoi An, Full House Du Villa. You'll find the link to the place in the description below. Let's start with a look at the villa from the street. It consists of two buildings and looks very neat and well maintained. Despite being near a road, the area is quiet and peaceful. Nearby, you'll find a gym, a Vinmart, and a pharmacy. Everything you need is close by. The villa has its own bike park, and the best part, you can use the bicycles for free to explore the city. At the reception, you'll always be greeted with a smile. Right next to it, there's a free pool table where you can enjoy a relaxed evening. There's also a lovely swimming pool with a chill-out zone. Everything is clean, green, and peaceful.
Mở cửa ra cho thoáng này. Mở luôn cửa sổ ra.
Now let's head over to the second building, where the kitchen is located. Breakfast is served here in the mornings, and it only costs 50,000 VN. You can also use the kitchen to cook your own meals during the day. We're going up to the third floor now.
Review hay.
Let me show you the rooms in the second building. All the rooms are decorated in the same cozy style. You can choose between a large double bed or two single beds. The bathrooms are clean, and the owners really take care of the place. Rooms are cleaned regularly.
Dạ chứ người ta đang quay review.
Here's the menu. There's a wide selection of dishes and drinks, and you can order food anytime, not just during breakfast hours. I recommend checking the prices on booking.com as they vary depending on the season and room availability. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.